Oh, hello guys. So today we are going to talk about spin and what spin is, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how a spin 0 particle is different from a spin 1 particle and how it might be different from a spin half particle. So as you might already know, spin is an intrinsic property of a particle that gives it some angular momentum. So let's start with spin 0 particles. So as an analogy, you can think of spin 0 particles as this ball. No matter from which direction you look at it, it looks the same. Well, so you can say that spin 0 particles are particles that look the same from all directions as an analogy. Now, so what are spin 1 particles? Well, spin 1 particles are particles that look different if they are rotated a little, but again look the same if the rotation is by 360 degree. For example, I am a spin 1 particle. If you look at me right now, well, I look the way I am. But if I make a 180 degree turn, now I look different to you. But completing the turn to 360 degree, and you can see that I look the same again. So I am a spin 1 particle. So you might wonder what a spin 2 particle is. Well, a spin 2 particle is a particle which looks the same if it is rotated by only 180 degree. So take an example of playing cards. Well, you might all know our face cards. Kings, the jokers. Well, if you rotate it by 180 degree, you cannot distinguish this card from its earlier state. So we can say that it's a spin 2 particle. So a spin 3 would be 360 by 3, or a particle which is symmetric when rotated by 120 degrees. But now you might wonder, what do we mean by spin half particles? Well, to put it forward, it would mean that a particle needs to be rotated twice. That means by 720 degrees to make it look the same. Now this was first proposed by Dirac in 1928 and it was a revolutionary idea at that time. To demonstrate it, Dirac made us a trick which is called as Dirac's belt trick. Now what we do here is we take a belt and we rotate it by 1, 2. So that makes it 180 degree, 360 degree. As you can see, there are some twists in this belt, and well, no matter how hard I try, I cannot remove this twist from this belt because they are an intrinsic part of this. But now, if I rotate this by one more time, and then once again, it makes a 720 degree turn. Now, if I just change this thing, it becomes straight. It means that this state of 20 degree is same as the one which has no rotations, while the state which has 360 degree is a distinct state, because doing the same operation I cannot get back the same state. Well, this is what Dirac called its belt trick. Well, Feynman also had another example for this. Take a look at this book. My hand also has spin half symmetry. If I rotate this book one time by 360 degree, I come to this state. Now, as you can see, the book is still facing up. But if I rotate that again by 360 degree, I get the same state of the book back to you. This shows that my hand also has a spin half symmetry, or it, when rotated by 720 degree, comes back to its original state. So now, you have a better understanding of what spin is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till then.